fill light. You can attach the fill light for low light shooting and adjust the fill light angle as needed. Press the brightness button to adjust the brightness. Press the color temperature button to adjust the color temperature. Press and hold the brightness button to turn off the fill light. Swipe down in the camera view and enter the fill light settings page. You can set auto fill light functions or adjust the brightness and color temperature. Last used settings can be saved and applied next time.